My son froze. He stared ahead like he had stepped into another dimension. In front of us stretched an entire universe, oak block houses, stone pathways, perfectly cubed trees. Everything looked real, not plastic, not fake, real. Sunlight reflected off pixel-textured surfaces, and in the distance, a roller coaster shot out of the mouth of a giant Steve statue while people screamed with excitement. "Dad, is this real?" he asked quietly. And in that moment I understood. For him it was. We rode a minecart through glowing ore caves. He squeezed my hand on the sharp turns but laughed the whole time. We ate steak in the village food court, while an animator dressed as a villager made those funny sounds that sent him into hysterical laughter. Even my wife, who is usually skeptical about these things, was taking pictures of every corner. The most powerful moment was the Ferris wheel. We rose high above the park. The wind brushed against our faces. From above, it looked like a massive living game map. The end castle, the jungle river, the rides, the crowds. Thousands of people below. But I wasn't looking at the park. I was looking at my son. He couldn't take his eyes off the view. They were shining. And in that moment, I realized it wasn't about Minecraft. It was about stepping into his world, the one I had only ever seen through a computer screen, and being there together. As we walked toward the exit that evening, he was exhausted, but still talking non-stop about his favorite ride and how we were coming back. He held a toy pickaxe in his hand and looked completely, undeniably happy. And I thought to myself, sometimes the best way to understand your child is to step into their world, even if that world is built from blocks.